Myself, SHRUTI DOIPHODE, I am from SHRUTI Jandal College of Pharmacy. I have been guided by Dr. Nitin C. Mohire, the principal of our college. My topic is Umbar, also known as cluster fig medicinal plant information. Umbar, also known as gular in Hindi and Umbar in Marathi. The parts of plants are trunk, branches, leaves, fruits, figs, roots, flowers, bark, cambium layer, sap. Its biological source is derived from fruits of Ficus racemosa. Family Moraceae. It contains chemical constituents such as tannins, 14%, leucoambicyanins, stigmasterol, amarin acetate, lupiol, stigmasterol. It is used in treatment of biliary disorders, jaundice, dysentery, diabetes, diarrhea. Introduction. Name: cluster fig tree, Ficus racemosa. Origin: native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Habitat: thrives in diverse environments, including deciduous and evergreen forests, as well as along riverbanks. Leaves: large, heart-shaped leaves measuring 10 to 20 centimeters in length. Fruits: small, round figs that grow in dense clusters along the branches. They are initially green and undergo a color transformation to purple when ripe. Ecological role: plays a vital role in the ecosystem by providing a food source for various animals and birds. The figs are a key element in the tree's reproductive strategy, as animals aid in seed dispersal. Cultural and religious significance: holds cultural importance and is often associated with myths and rituals. Known by different names, such as gular in Hindi and adumbra in Sanskrit. Traditional uses: the wood and bark of the cluster fig tree may have traditional applications in local communities. Medicinal properties: different parts of the tree, including the bark, leaves, and fruits, are utilized in traditional medicine for treating various ailments. Cultivation. Climate: prefers tropical and subtropical climates with warm temperatures. Thrives in regions with a well-defined dry and wet season. Soil: adaptable to a variety of soils, including clayey and loamy soils. Well-draining soil is essential to prevent waterlogging. Sunlight: flourishes in full sunlight but can tolerate partial shade. Propagation: typically propagated through seeds. Direct sowing or transplanting young seedlings is common. Watering: requires regular watering, especially during the growing season. However, it is also drought-tolerant once established. Pruning: pruning may be done to shape the tree or control its size. Regular pruning can also encourage a denser canopy. Fertilization: responds well to organic or slow-release fertilizers. Application in the early growing season is beneficial. Pests and diseases: generally hardy, but susceptible to pests like aphids and scale insects. Regular inspection and appropriate measures are advisable. Harvesting: fruits are typically harvested when they turn purple, indicating ripeness. Harvesting can be done by hand or by shaking the branches. Harvesting. Determination of ripeness: color change: monitor the color of the figs, they should change from green to a purplish hue, indicating ripeness. Texture: ripe figs should feel soft to the touch. Timing: harvesting is typically done when the figs are fully ripe, usually during the fruiting season. Harvesting method. By hand: gently pluck the ripe figs by hand, taking care not to damage the fruits or the tree. Use of tools: in some cases, scissors or shears may be used for hard-to-reach figs. But this requires caution to avoid harming the tree. Collection container. Use baskets or containers lined with soft material to prevent bruising or damage to the figs during collection. Frequency. Harvest regularly during the fruiting season, as figs may not ripen simultaneously. Post-harvest care: handle the harvested figs with care to avoid bruising or spoilage. Promptly remove any damaged or overripe figs to prevent the spread of diseases. Storage: consume fresh figs promptly, as they have a relatively short shelf life. If not consumed immediately. Figs can be stored in a cool, dry place or refrigerated to extend their freshness. Processing: figs can be consumed fresh or processed into various products such as jams, preserves, or dried figs. Pruning after harvest. Prune the tree as needed after harvesting to maintain its shape and health. Observation. Regularly inspect the tree for signs of pests or diseases, addressing any issues promptly. These are the few marketed preparations. Thank you.